us waves and optics, and the chapter is wave and optics, superposition of two simple harmonic motions. ठीक है, what is the meaning of the superposition of two simple harmonic motion? In that case, we will know Lissajous figure. So first of all, we have to know what is the meaning of the Lissajous figure. Lissajous figure means when a particle is acted by simultaneously two simple harmonic motions right angles to each other, then resultant path traced out by the particle is a trajectory which is known as a curve. For example, we have just considered here the two waves x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi, where a is the amplitude, omega is the frequency, and t is the time. The displacement of the second wave is y is equal to b sin omega t, where phi is the phase difference between these two waves. By the superposition principle, from the equation number 2, we can say that y upon b is equal to sin omega t, then cos omega t is equal to, that means you can say that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We can use this formula and find out cos omega t is equal to under root 1 minus y square upon b square. Expanding this equation number 1, x upon a is equal to sin omega t plus phi. So here what is the formula of sin a plus b? Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So x upon a is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. X upon a is equal to, what is the value of sin omega t? We will put here y upon b plus cos omega t under root 1 minus y square upon b square sin phi. Again x upon a minus y upon b, that means we have taken in this left hand side, and is equal to 1 minus y square upon b square sin phi. Squaring both sides, again square of this plus square of this, that is called x square plus a square plus y square upon b square minus 2xy upon ab cos phi is equal to, when we square of this, so under root will cancel out, so 1 minus y square upon b square is equal to sin square phi. X square upon a square plus y upon b square, again this term will become here sin square phi. So cos square phi plus sin square phi, it should be equal to 1 minus 2xy cos phi is equal to this one. So this equation represent an oblique ellipse, which is the resultant path of the particles. Now here we get the special case. Case number 1, when phi is equal to 0, then cos phi is equal to 1 and sin phi is equal to 0. So that is cos phi, it will become 1 and it will become 0. So equation will reduce x upon a minus y upon b whole square is equal to 0, x upon a minus y upon is equal to 0, and plus minus y plus minus b upon x. So this is the equation of a straight line, and the equation of the straight line means it inclined angle of theta, and theta is equal to tan inverse b upon a. This is the first case. That means when the two waves right angles to each other, and then the resultant path traced out by a straight line, and this straight line shown with by this line here. Again the second case, when phi, that means the phase difference between these two waves is pi by 4. So sin phi is equal to cos phi is equal to 1 upon the root. Put the values here and we'll find that x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus ka under root 2 xy upon ab is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the equation of the oblique ellipse, and we can say that phi is equal to pi by 4. So this is the value of this ellipse, that is called, one is, you can say that here is the ellipse and this is known as the oblique. Oblique means tilcha, this way. Now we have just considered case number 3rd. What is the case? Case means phi is equal to pi by 2. When the phase difference between the two waves is pi by 2, then sin pi by 2 and cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin pi by 2 is 1. Again substituting this value here, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square and minus 2xy upon ab, it will become 0 is equal to 1. This whole factor will become 0. So x square upon a square y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is the equation of a ellipse. This is the equation of a ellipse. And what is the equation of the ellipse? You can say that This is the equation of an ellipse. This is called A, this is called B. Okay, when in a special case if A is equal to B, in that case if A is equal to B, so this will become the equation of a circle. This case. This is the third case. Now the fourth case. Fourth case means when phi is equal to 3 pi by 4. Phi is equal to 3 pi by 4. So sin phi is equal to cos phi is equal to 1 upon under root 2. The equation will reduce x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus under root 2xy upon a is equal to 1 by 2. That is called, this is the again the oblique ellipse. But in this case the ellipse will be formed again, this is the oblique ellipse. So in this way we can find out Lissajous figure in this case.